what you guys, how we were doing. Warm welcome to country again. I got another little tale of woe and sorrow and bleeding drama again. I don't know. I really don't know. Everything's been going great for the last 2 months. Everything's been running too smooth for the last 2 months. I've met some lovely people and everything. I'll just explain, folks. It's Saturday now, as you know. Like my haircut, I've chopped all my hair off. I've done my end of spring, got rid of my my head warmer that sees me through all the sees me through winter, and it, you know, I feel the difference having all that hair off my head. So lovely jubbly. So there you go. Just the clippers and everything, you know. I did make a video of that. I'll just explain that as well. I made a few videos over the last couple of weeks ready to go upload. But what a bleeding drama. Well, just to explain where I am. I was down at Sanox today, Saturday morning this is. Saturday night I camped up at just above Sanox because I was planning on moving west. I woke up this morning and there's bloody cars and tourists and RVs everywhere. Bank holiday weekend. I forgot it was bank holiday bleeding weekend. What a plonker. Usually on bank holiday weekend I scoot off and hide somewhere in a nice remote spot. But I was down at Sanox and there was bleeding vehicles everywhere and tourists and so many RVs. And I thought, right, got to get out of here. I up sticks, got out of there as quick as I could and shot up the coast to the west side of the island, where I know it's a bit more quieter on the west side of the island. So I've come to the west side of the island. I know a few nice little remote camps where I can just park and no one else can get in. As long as it's somewhere I can park and no one else can get in by me, because I don't want people by me. There's quite a few people on the island. And travelling down the 15 miles or so down the west coast from up Locranza. Locranza was bloody packed, the ferry port was packed. Coming down the coast of Locranza, every single lay-by's got an RV or a car in it, or walkers or tents. Every single lay-by. I thought, oh bloody hell, I hope my camps are free, the one I want to use. I just need a single camp for a single van, one of my single van camps. I've got a few favourite ones on the island. I come down to the Vanchat camp. You remember the Vanchat camp? Just show you out the window here, guys. It is lovely camp. I think I've had barbecues here and all sorts in the past. There's the Vanchat out there. Lovely jubbly. Right, so I was shut down here. And I thought, there's no way my Vanchat camp's going to be free. But I got here and it was free. There's nobody in. I can see vans down the coast down there. There's vans up behind me. There's a wedding reception here outside the chateau. So anyway, I'm in this camp. I'm safe. I'll stay here for a few days, wait for it to all calm down, then I can go and do my usual thing. Anyway, I pulled up to this camp, put my ramps up, got it all nice settled in, lovely jubbly. Got Skye settled in, got her some dinner. I had a cup of tea. I've got another nice cup of tea now, nice cup of Yorkshire. I'll get on with the story in a minute. And pulled up and I looked out my window and I saw a couple of black dots in the bay. Not lovely calm day. It's going to be rough now, but it's lovely and calm when I got here. You probably hear one or two cars and bikes and all sorts now. Bank holiday bloody weekend. Blimey O'Reilly. Oh, beam me up, Scotty. Anyway, I saw a couple of black dots out in the bay. I thought, what the hell's that? Got my binos out. And there were dolphins. There's dolphins swimming across my bay. Couldn't believe it. I was talking about dolphins the other day, hopefully to see them before I go, and the humpback whales and the basking sharks. And there's a pod of about, I think there's about 6 or 7 of them out in the bay there. Absolutely lovely, not too far away. So I shot out the van, got my SLR camera, shot out the van with the SLR camera, boom, 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 filmed them, shot, snap, photo, lovely jubbly. I got the dolphins at last. I don't think I'll get the dolphins on this trip because I'm leaving in June. Usually, you know, they're about around the summertime around the island. But I was so bloody chuffed. My heart was pounding. Really so chuffed to see the dolphins just out there on my beach camp, one of my beach camps. Took the SD card out of it on there, loaded it onto my. I'm on my old iPhone at the moment. Just to explain, I'm on my old iPhone at the moment, the one that's pretty bloody knackered. This was the new refurbished one that I got 4 weeks ago. I downloaded all the images off the SLR camera onto my latest refurbished iPhone. Lovely jubbly. I've done a few videos over the last week and a half which are ready to download. They're all on my new refurbished iPhone as well, so I always like to have a couple in the bag ready. Anyway, I sat in the van, right, I thought I'd get down to editing because I need a video to go up tonight. So I had a video ready in Video Leap as well. I had 2 videos ready in Video Leap over the last week as well on my old refurbished iPhone. And I come to go to my iPhone and turned it on, ping, it come on. The dreaded black screen. The iPhone is on now. Just press the buttons for you. First of all, it was a big black splodge across the screen. Then the screen just went black. I think, is that on now? Can't even tell where it's on. Hold on a minute. It's on because I can feel it vibrating. That phone is on now, but it's black screen. I can't do a fecking thing with that. All the last week and a half stages on there. All the last week and a half videos are on there on Video Leap, my editing app, which is on the phone. All that's on. I don't bother with iCloud. I know people say, "Oh, you should back up on iCloud and all that," but I just can't be arsed. It's so bloody slow iCloud is. So I've lost all the videos, all my photos, all my links, all my B-rolls. The last 2 videos are ready to upload on YouTube. They've all gone. Because I can't transfer, because I can't get into that. I can't even get into the phone to close it down and transfer all the images and delete all my files on there before I send it back. It's got to be sent back. So I'll be sending that back. It's still within the Amazon return period. So I'll send that back and get a refund on that. But I can't believe it, just totally black. See if I press the photo, so that just clicks, just took a photo, but it's totally freaking black. What a pain in the backside. And I'm so pissed off. I filmed those dolphins, took the SD card out of this, downloaded it onto that phone, then a few minutes later that phone was dead. I've deleted what was on the card from there, so it's gone. It's all on there, but I can't access it. It's probably up in the iCloud somewhere, I know. It's probably some way to do it, but I can't be fucking arsed. So I've lost my dice on the bloody dolphins, which pisses me off. And what even more is upsetting, I don't need this shite, not with all these people about as well. Oh, it's done my head in the last bloody 24 hours, I tell you. All these people about RVs and tourists. Now the iPhone's bloody gone again. One day we'll be able to get some decent vlogging equipment on board with the channel. Oh, so I'm in a right bloody diss. It's been running so smoothly as well for the last few weeks. Met some lovely people as well. And what's even more frustrating is the 2, I've got loads of B-rolls as well. That's all gone, all the B-rolls have gone. I've got 2 videos ready to go up on YouTube, ready. And the next video, which was due to come up tonight, I've been hunting for the red squirrels for the last 5 months. I found them the other day. The video's on there, but I can't get it. It's on the Video Leap app, ready. It's already 99% edited. So that was going to be the video tonight. So that's gone. So I got the red squirrels on film. You'll have to check my word for it, but I got the red squirrels on film, but it's all gone. I don't think I'll get that back. Oh, that's so annoying. I've been looking for them red squirrels for so long. Everybody's been winding me up and taking the piddle out of me, not being able to find them. But anyway, I can go back and find them again. I know where the little bugger is. I know where the little tree rat is. So I can go and find him again and do another video. Plus there's another video I lost as well on the other side of the island. Plus all my B-rolls are gone. All my intros, all my outros, all those are gone. So I've got to start all that afresh. I think I can save the intros and outros, so I should be alright with those. It's just all the B-rolls have gone. The last 2 videos have gone. The videos of the dolphins and the squirrels has gone. What a fucking pain. How disappointing. Bloody iPhones, eh? I'm vlogging with an iPhone at the end of the day. I suppose you've got to expect bloody problems instead of, not using proper vlogging equipment. But there's no way we can afford the expensive vlogging equipment, not yet anyway. So that's where we are on the channel. So I'm just going to calm myself down, settle down here for a few days, keep away from everybody. Can't be done with that. That'll bloody tip me over the top, I tell you, having people around me. Can't be done with that, so I'm going to settle down here for a couple of days. We're on the old iPhone again, the knackered one with a knackered mic and everything, and batteries knackered on it. But I'm going to have to use this for the next week or so till I can get this replaced and refunded and get that replaced, folks. So bear with me on that. The videos may not be on schedule as they usually are because there's nothing there. I've got nothing in. It's all in there. All the files are in there. So I've got nothing filmed, and it's going to be cloudy and rainy the next couple of days. But I might do some in van videos just to keep this ticking over, keep the channel ticking over. So bear with me. We still have a video on Monday, Wednesday and Saturday, hopefully, and the live show. So we will do a live show tomorrow, but it's on my old iPhone, so don't expect a lot. It won't last very long. The sound's going to be crap and all the usual things with this crap iPhone that I've been using for the last 2-3 years. So bear with me on that. Join me on the live show tomorrow night at 4 PM. So it'll only be a short one because the battery life on this is not too clever. There you go. So that's where we're at. I was going so smoothly for the last 5-6 weeks. Everything was going a dream. Now this. All those people about. My iPhone packing up. How disappointing. Just totally black. You know, I'm not dropped it or nothing. You know, there's no cracks on it. It's not being dropped. It's in a protective case and everything. It's not being dropped. I just turned it on, black screen. First of all, it was half a screen with all this side black. Then it just gradually migrated across and went off. So the screen is burnt out. Whether they use cheap screens to rebuild them at Amazon, I don't know. But anyway, we're going to get that off. Blimey, we rambled on for 12 bleeding minutes. So join me tomorrow, Sunday, 4 PM for the live. Come over and console me and keep me company and try and cheer me up a bit because I am totally pissed off at the moment. I'll settle in, have some grub, go for a walk on the beach. Oh, it's lovely out there. And hopefully those dolphins will come back so I can film them yet again. Oh, that was lovely. And when they do come across this time, I'll keep an eye out because they come from right to left around the island that way. So if I see them coming in, I'll pop the drone up and we'll get nice and close with the drone over the top of the dolphins if we can. That'd be nice, though. That'd be good. I mean, when I did catch the dolphins on this phone, guys, they were at distance, but oh, it was lovely to see the dolphins. It's been a few years since I've seen dolphins. Been a few years since I've seen dolphins, and they're lovely creatures. Right, that's me done, wrapped and dusted, with my new haircut as well. We'll see you Sunday, 4 PM. Come and join me. Let's have a good natter. Let's try and cheer country up. That'd be lovely. Fucking hell. I don't bloody need this. Still, that's van life, isn't it? That's life. I know we all have problems, don't we? We all have problems, but fight your way through. Get through the other side. Try and stay positive if you can. Right, till Sunday, you'll be good. And hopefully we'll have a video for Monday. But I've got to go and film now. I've got to start filming all over again. Get my backlogs and my backlog ready. Get all my B-roll sorted again. And we'll see you Sunday. I'm rambling on, guys. I'm boring you now. Thanks for watching me and my bloody dramas again on country. Thanks for bearing with me, folks. It'll be up in the air for the next week or so till I get the next iPhone sorted. Took me a day and a half to download all the bloody data across as well from iPhone to iPhone. Got to do all that again. Oh, bleeding hell, eh? All right, catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you Sunday, 4 PM. Don't be late. Come and cheer me up. Ta-da.